Hi everyone. So this is a quick proposal for you if you're looking for land parcels and particularly to develop and sell. So you want to become developer or you're already developer in your respective country. So this particular land parcel is in Ras Al Khaimah. It's one of the Emirates of UAE, around 50 minutes drive from Dubai. Air taxis are coming in, so another 15 minutes, that's it. So what is happening in Ras Al Khaimah first of all? There's a casino coming, there's Wynn Casino, which is the biggest casino being coming in Middle East in Ras Al Khaimah. So you can imagine the amount of tourism which will hit. You can imagine the amount of people who will be coming to play the casino, especially the Chinese, Russians and Indians for sure. And every place is just nearby. Middle East is right here in the center. So this casino will attract a lot of visitors. Now what the developers are already doing is they are acquiring land parcels. All the big hotel chains are over here. JW Marriott, whether it be Taj, Four Seasons, Fairmont, every big hospitality brand is here in Ras Al Khaimah on Al Marjan Island. Now there are few plots which we can get from the government on a payment plan. So what happens is you buy a plot which is approximately at the size of 150,000 square feet plot size, and you get a GFA of around 500,000 square feet, and you develop the apartments on it. It sells like dust, so it's quick. And why? Because the rentals which end customers would receive around is 12 to 15% because of the hike in tourism in the place. So what I asked from the developers is have one of your development in Ras Al Khaimah, and once you study Ras Al Khaimah, there's a lot happening over here. So my quick ask is you buy a land parcel over here, reach us out and we'll tell you which is the best located land parcel. You can acquire the land, we'll buy it directly from the government. It's on a payment plan. You start developing it, you start building apartments on it. And the best part is there are all big hospitality brands already signed up. So you're secured. If the hospitality brands are playing big and betting big on this place, it's just because of the tourism. So when a developer comes in, you make a lot of money because you pay just 20% and the remaining is on a payment plan. You sell it to the end customers. The construction amount is coming from the end customers. So your invested amount is just around 20, top line 40%. Of course, there's construction money going in, there's marketing money going in, but making 200% or 250% profit on your investment in today's market is very tough. I've seen markets in US, in UK, in Singapore, and even in India. It's really different and the numbers here are phenomenal. So even staying in Dubai, you are attracted, and we have already helped few developers to buy these land parcels and start developing over there because of pure profits, and the market is fast. So once you analyze, and if you're looking for something where you can buy a land, secure a project for you, even if you're a family office or a wealth manager who wants to keep the entire asset as your rental income, trust me, it is bare minimum 12 to 15%. So what we can do is we can give you the entire feasibility study. We can give you the right numbers. What is the cost of construction? What is the marketing like? What is the apartment selling at? What are the developers who are already there? Entire market study. So reach us out. My number is mentioned over here. So I'll tell you all the math, because once your math is clear, it is a quick decision for you because you'll feel like it's a no-brainer investment. And my shout out is to all the developers globally, because this is one thing you should look at and it's one of a lifetime opportunity. So enter right now in this market and trust me, you'll make good amount of money and profits on your development and you'll keep on doing it. And number is mentioned below. Reach us out.